You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this letter in English. If you want to learn more letter pronunciations from the English alphabet and examples of words with this letter, stay tuned. I've got videos for you. This letter in English is pronounced T, T, just like tea. How to pronounce in English, English pronunciation, T. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.